1957 Dusk Rose Thunderbird, a very rare one lady owned since 1957. She's in her 90s to a day, and I was fortunate enough that she chose me for the car, to buy the car. The car was sold new in Tyler, Texas. It's been serviced and maintained by Walt, Nuckles, and Hyde. It's the D series with a 312 245 horsepower Thunderbird Special V8, a Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, Thunderbird Air Conditioning. Odometer is 15,050 miles. Town and country radio, Ford Accessory dress-up option. She's been major mechanical gone through in Mentor's Thunderbird Restoration Facility. She has the correct black and white interior with the proper embossments. She's got a neat history on this car. Mitzi, upon graduation from high school, her dad offered her the choice of a 1957 pink Thunderbird and go to the University of North Texas in Denton, or settle for an ordinary car and get to go to the prestigious Southern Methodist University. Mitzi chose the 57 T-Bird and the University of North Texas. Later on, she goes to Southern Methodist University and gets her master's degree while still maintaining her love for this 1957 Ford Thunderbird. This car's got both tops, the Dusk Rose porthole top and black convertible top.